Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install the latest version of Java, that is JDK 20, on a Windows operating system. And then I am also going to show you how you can easily write a simple hello world program in Java and how we can easily run that using our Java 20. So do watch the video till the end. If you face any difficulty in the middle, you can put always a comment in our comment section. I am always there to help you. And if you like the video, then please give it a like and also do subscribe our channel. That will really help me to make more such videos. Now to install Java, you need to first simply go to favorite browser, and in the address bar you need to just simply search with JDK download and hit enter, and it will going to show you this oracle.com as our first search result. So here you need to just simply click on this Java downloads, and when you click on that, it's going to redirect to this official site of Oracle. And here you can see we have Java downloads. I'll be putting this link in the description. You can directly go to that link to navigate to this site. Alright, so now after landing over this page, you need to just simply scroll down, and here you can see we have Java 20 and Java 17 available now. Java 20 is the latest version, so we are going to download the latest one. So just simply scroll down, and here you can see we have Linux, macOS and Windows. So depending upon what operating system you're using, you need to switch to those tabs. Like if you want to use it for macOS, you need to switch to macOS and need to download from this link. I'm going to use it for Windows, so I'm going to switch to Windows, and I'm going to select this x64 AMSI installer. AMSI means Microsoft installer. Alright, so I'm going to just simply select this link, and what it will do is it will going to start downloading our latest version of Java, which is Java 20. Now since I have already downloaded it, I just simply cancel it. I'll minimize my browser, and if I go to my download directory, you can see that Java 20 is already been downloaded over here, and the file size is 158 MB. To install, you need to just simply double click on the installer, and you can see it is telling it's preparing to install. So you can minimize your download directory, and here you can see welcome to installation wizard for Java IC development kit 20. So you can just simply click on next, and this is where our Java is going to be installed, that is the C program files Java JDK 20. If you want to change that, you can just simply click on this change button, and you can change your installation location from here. I'll be recommending you to keep this default, so just simply click on cancel, and this location is totally fine. Keep this default and just simply click on next, and see it will ask you first your administrative privileges. Just simply click on yes, and see it has rightly started installing our Java. So this installing Java will take a couple of minutes. After that I will be again coming back to this video. Yep, so welcome back, and now you can clearly see that our Java IC development kit 20 is successfully installed. So you can just simply close this. So now that you know Java is rightly installed, it's time to set our environment variable. So for that, you need to first simply go to your search and just simply type over here environ, and what it will do is it's going to show you this edit the system environment variables. So just simply click on that, and it's going to show you this system properties window. Here you need to click on these environment variables, and it's going to again open this environment variables window. Here you need to just simply click on path, this path over here, and then you need to click on edit. It will open this edit environment variable window. Now all you need to do is you need to go to your C drive, right, and here you need to go to your program files, and then you will be seeing this Java folder over here. Just simply open that folder, and you will get JDK 20 folder, which is just you installed. You'll get that folder after successfully installing your Java. Then go inside that folder, you'll get bin folder. Again go inside that, and just simply click on this address bar and right click and copy. So all you need to do is you need to go to this bin folder and you need to copy this path. Now you can minimize your folder, and you can just simply click on new over here, and then just simply right click and paste the path. That's all. See, our path is rightly pasted over here. You can just simply click on OK now. So our Java environment path is rightly set. Now it's time to set our Java home. For that, just simply click on new, and just simply type over here Java _ home. Right, and in variable value you need to right click again and paste that path. But this time you need to remember, you need to delete this bin folder. Only you need to keep this till JDK 20. That's all. Just click on OK now. And then you can click again OK and again OK. That's all. Now if we just simply go to again your search icon and just simply type over here CMD, it will show you command prompt. Open the command prompt, and if you just simply type Java space dash dash version and just simply hit enter, you can see that latest version of Java, that is Java 20, is rightly installed. So in this way, you can easily install latest version of Java on a Windows operating system. Now I am going to quickly show you how you can easily run a simple Java program and how you can run that on our system. So for that, let's create a folder called Java Practice, and I'm going to go inside that folder and I'm going to create a new text document, and I'm going to name this file as hello world, and I'm going to change that txt with Java and hit enter. Click on yes, and there you go. Our file is rightly created, Java file. You can just simply double click to open that file in Notepad, and here I'm going to write a simple hello world program. So class hello world, I'm going to end with our brace, and I'm going to write public static void main. In parenthesis I'm going to write string args, and here I'm going to just simply print system.out.println, end with semicolon, and I'm going to write hello world over here, hello world. And now you need to go to file and save it, and go to your folder where you have created this file. Just simply click on this address bar and type cmd. What it will do is it will going to open our command prompt right at this location. Now if you just simply type Java C means compile, and hello world dot Java, hit enter, you can see our file is rightly compiled and it has generated .class file. Now to run that .class file, so just Java, your class name, which is hello world, hit enter. You can see the output hello world rightly shown. So in this way, you can easily install latest version of Java on a Windows operating system. If you face any difficulty in middle, please do put a comment in our comment sections. I'll help you. And if you like the video, please give it a like and also do subscribe. That will really help me to make more such videos. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.